Hi, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making our family favorite egg burrito with these avocado wraps. They are super yummy, they are very healthy, they are made with only 5 simple ingredients. One is whole wheat flour, avocado, water, oil and salt. That's it. So we are just warming this wrap from both sides on this pan. We like it this way. It has those brown spots and the wrap is ready. Now the next step is we will use this egg, 3 eggs. We need 3 eggs for 2 burritos, so we will go ahead and break 3 eggs in this bowl. We'll mix them a little bit, and then you have to add some salt and black pepper and also turmeric. So we are adding black pepper now turmeric and salt. So go ahead and beat the eggs properly. So this is what we are doing, mixing well, beating the eggs. The next step is heat the oil. I am using olive oil. You can use avocado oil as well, so or even butter. So go ahead and use the oil, heat the oil in the pan, and now we will just pour the half of the egg mix on the pan. So after it is heated, pouring the half of the egg mix. Remember, we are making 2 burritos. So after this, we are adding diced onions to this. You can use spring onions also, but I like the white onion, and I'm using the cilantro and cheese. So little bit of parmesan, little bit of mozzarella and some Mexican cheese. So we are spreading the cheese, and now we will place our avocado wrap in it and let it cook. So just press it till it gets thick, and you have to wait till it cooks from all sides. So it's a little bit tricky. My pan had these sides, so it was a little bit tricky for me to flip it, but I am trying. So no, it's not done because you can see it's still undercooked. So let it cook. It turns out very, very yummy. My kids love this. This is our family favorite lunch idea. Here you go, it's ready from all sides. Now we will have more cheese in the middle, so this way you will spread all 3 cheeses and fold the burrito this way. Okay, so let it cook from both sides. Now we'll flip it so the cheese melts, and we are going to plate it and arrange the avocado slices on the top with little bit of salt and pepper on the top. And this can be a great breakfast. It can be a breakfast burrito, it can be a lunch burrito, or even a dinner. Here our breakfast burrito is ready. This is cheesy, this is flavorful, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So my friend, make sure you subscribe to the channel, you tag us, you leave your comment, try our recipes, and remember to say #cook4health because we are cooking for health. So let's cut our burrito here, and look how cheesy and yummy it looks. Nice. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.